Good morning, dosto. Welcome to Cyril Sociology. Let's learn the concept of identity. Identity refers to the way individuals perceive themselves and how they relate to the world around them. It encompasses various aspects such as our personal experiences, cultural background, social roles, and group affiliations. Our identity shapes our beliefs, values, behaviors, and interactions with others. One important aspect of identity is that it is not fixed or predetermined, but rather constructed and influenced by numerous factors. These factors include our culture, social class, gender, race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, religion, and many more. They shape our identity by providing us with a sense of belonging, shared experiences, and a framework for understanding ourselves in relation to others. To understand identity, we can explore it from three key perspectives, namely individual identity, social identity, and collective identity. Let's see first individual identity. This aspect of identity focuses on each person as a unique individual. It involves our personal traits, interests, talents, and life experiences. Individual identity is formed through a combination of nature, that is, our inherent characteristics, and nurture, that is, the social and cultural influences we encounter throughout our life. Friends, individual identity formation is a lifelong process that begins from birth and continues throughout our lives. We actively shape our identities through our choices, actions, and self reflection, while simultaneously being influenced by societal expectations, norms, and the communities we belong to. It involves a complex interplay between individual agency and social structures. Let's see the next perspective, that is social identity. Social identity refers to the part of our identity that is derived from our membership in various social groups. These groups can include but are not limited to ethnicity, nationality, gender, religion, socio-economic status, and sexual orientation. Social identity provides us with a sense of belongingness and shared experiences with others who belong to the same group. For instance, you may identify yourself as a member of a particular cultural community, a student, or a member of a social or professional organization. It influences our perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors, and it can create both a sense of pride and potential conflicts between different social groups. The third and the last perspective of identity is collective identity. Collective identity focuses on the shared sense of belongingness and common identity among individuals with a larger social unit, such as a community, nation, or cultural group. It involves shared values, traditions, history, and symbols that shape the group's identity and sense of unity. Collective identity plays a crucial role in shaping societal norms, cultural practices, and social movements. Friends, our identities are often not singular but rather intersectional, meaning we possess multiple identities that intersect and interact with one another. For example, a person may identify as a woman, a member of a particular racial or ethnic group, a member of the LGBTQ plus community, and as having a specific religious affiliation. These intersecting identities influence how we perceive ourselves and how others perceive and interact with us. It's important to note that identities are not fixed or static. They are fluid and can evolve over time, influenced by personal experiences, social interactions, and changes in the larger social context. As I just told you, identities can also intersect and overlap, creating complex and multifaceted dimensions of who we are as individuals. Understanding identity is crucial in sociology because it helps us analyze social phenomena, inequalities, and power dynamics. Exploring identity allows us to examine social issues such as discrimination, marginalization, and social change. Sociologists study how different identities intersect and how they can influence access to resources, opportunities, and social privileges. So, friends, to conclude, identity is a complex and ever evolving concept that encompasses personal and social dimensions. It influences how we perceive ourselves, how others perceive us, and how we relate to the world around us. By understanding the multifaceted nature of identity, we can gain insights into social dynamics, inequalities, and the diverse experiences of individuals and communities.